Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to Western Union. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to transfer money from PayPal to Western Union for free. First, you have to open the PayPal application and then go to the accounts and then go to the bills and connect it to Union and do all steps because of PayPal privacy. I can't show it to you. After that, go to the Chrome and type Western Union and then open it. After that, enter the amount you want send and then click on three dots in the upper and then click on send money and then select these options like I'm doing. After that, and then click on Count New, and then create your profile and are done. So this all in today's video, hope. You must have understood that how to transfer money from PayPal to Western Union. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. So that's all in this video. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. Thanks.